I'm Eldon Curtis, and I am the Catholic Archbishop of Omaha. And I want to talk to you about health care. You know, the Church's attitude is this, that everyone has a right to basic health care. And that right is based on our dignity as human beings, that we're made in the image and likeness of God, and that we have certain rights to be able to live with dignity in this world of ours. And it shouldn't depend on, you know, how much money we make and where we live. All of us have a fundamental right to life and to those things that sustain life, and certainly health care is one of the things that sustains life. And we're concerned because there's so many Americans, over 50 million, without health care. And nearly 20% of these are children, 9 million children without health care. And so many of our people in our minority groups that are without health care, and the aging, and the poor. If we can spend millions of dollars bailing out a car company, it seems to me that we ought to be able to spend millions of dollars to take care of the most vulnerable in our society, because this is what's necessary for the common good, for the health and vitality of our society. So urge your legislators to do something about this, to pass some kind of adequate health care for all our citizens.